Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We are standing inside DLF Phase 2 in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This location is connected to the main MG road. This is connected with the cyber hub, which is the cyber city. This is connected with the golf course. This is also connected with the NH8. This is in the center of the city we are at. This location, plot size is 500 square yards. This is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started from the formal living space of the house. This is a huge, a beautiful wooden door which has diamond cut, heavy glasses, heavy mirrors installed. This is the formal living space of the house that you see. On the left hand side you'll see it's a plain wall which has a grouping done. This is an engineered wood placed here, this side and that side as well. उधर भी एक डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर लगा हुआ है engineered wood पे, उधर भी एक डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर लगा हुआ है. So you've got 2 air conditioners inside your formal living space. When you talk about the flooring, this is all Italian surface, beautiful Italian marble which is used all together. When I talk about the quality of the fans, the electricity, Havells के fans लगा रखे हैं. ऊपर में अगर आप इसका डिज़ाइन देखेंगे, this is a rectangular design given this side and this side. This is bifurcated into 2 sides. बहुत ही अच्छा डिज़ाइन है. यहाँ पर में आप अपना सोफ़ा लगा सकते हैं. This is a wooden console given to you which has cabinets all around. This is a wooden console, a proper wooden console with a moving shelf which has cabinetries. This is a glass UPVC which is given here. This is going to open it like this. It's like a gala entrance. This is the balcony in the front side. This balcony is quite a huge. This is your wet area. You've got the drainage vessel. सारा का सारा balcony space देखेंगे बहुत ही massive है. ये आपका metal के railings हैं यहाँ पर. डिज़ाइन है इसमें राउंड डिज़ाइन है. ग्रेनाइट का पूरा पत्थर लगा हुआ है, नेचुरल स्टोन. एक बार ये सराउंडिंग्स दिखा दीजिए प्लीज़ व्यूअर्स को. And showcase the length of the balcony we're at. It's a huge balcony. This also has a mesh door with it so that it will protect you from the mosquitoes. A very beautiful ambience light has been given. This is again one entrance. This is one exit from here as well. This is the way you can keep it open. इधर से भी आप निकल सकते हैं for your guest. This can be the entry. From the other side would be for the family members. This is your guest entry. This is the foyer area. This side is the powder room given to utilize it with your guest. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका टाइलिंग वर्क है. यहाँ पर सरफेस पे पूरा इटालियन है, आसपास में टाइल्स है. वैनिटीज बाय ग्रोहे. गुड कैबिनेट्स गिवन, ample space, wall mount commode seats, sanitary fittings by Grohe, LED lights, fans, ceiling, everything is beautiful. बहुत अच्छे से डिज़ाइन करा हुआ है. Let's get inside the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house which has a wooden flooring in a proportionate little more this side, which has a warranty of around 10 years. This is again a POP grouping done on the wall. Daikin ka air conditioner. You've got the ceiling is rectangular in design. This is again a balcony which is connected with the front of the house. The same balcony which is carried forward. सामने भी wet area, drainage vessel है. पूरा का पूरा लंबा balcony है. This is the washroom of this specific first bedroom. Fans are all installed by Havells, modular switches. This is your closet section. This side, and you can open it from here as well. This is your vanity, a nice top natural stone. This is like to keep your stuff. Grohe ki fittings hai. Sanitary fittings are all by Grohe. You've got the water geyser by Ferroli. This is your glass partition for the shower area. This is one level above the surface. Pani idhar se udhar na jaye. To keep the wet and dry area maintained. This is your rain head. To keep your utilities out here, this is by Grohe. All sanitary fittings are by Grohe. और ऊपर में छोटा सा एक एग्जॉस्ट फैन भी दिया हुआ है. So this was the first bedroom of the house. Let's get inside the second bedroom, which is this one. It's a huge bedroom size that I can see. इसमें पूरे पे wooden flooring है इस तरफ. 10 years का वारंटी इसका मिनिमम रहता है. You see there are बोर्ड यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, डिज़ाइंस दिए हुए हैं, बोर्ड पे ग्रुपिंग करा हुआ है, कॉर्नर्स दिया हुआ है, वॉल्स में ग्रुपिंग है, क्लैरिंग है पूरा का पूरा. ये पूरा मॉड्यूलर दिया हुआ है. सीलिंग आपको नॉर्मल डिज़ाइन है. This is like one level above the surface. This is UPVC used. This is again the same balcony that you will be sharing in common with the formal living space and the first and the second bedroom of this house. Fans again by Havells. This is the wardrobe closet section. Later stages में beautiful इसके अंदर wardrobes दिया हुआ है आपका. Ample space है. This is the shower area, a beautiful vanity with an Italian top, beautiful natural stone. This has a nice glass. ऊपर में आपका पूरा का पूरा LED दिया हुआ है. ब्यूटीफुल ग्रोहे का जो ये वैनिटी है बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है. यूनिक डिज़ाइन है, ये हर जगह नहीं मिलता आपको. डेवलपर की नो डाउट चॉइस बहुत अच्छी है. इधर टाइलिंग वर्क आपका पूरा का पूरा वॉल्स पे है. फेरोली का आपका वाटर गीजर है. दिस इज अगेन द शावर एरिया व्हिच इज बाइफरकेटेड with this channel glass which is a slider door, rain head, grohe sanitary fittings, anti-skid tiles, wet area and the drainage vessel, wall mount commode seat. इधर से क्वालिटी का पता लगता है कि आप कैसे देखते हैं. देखिए कि चीज़ को कैसे कवर करके रखा हुआ है. This was the second bedroom of the house. Let's get inside the third bedroom. Before we get inside the third bedroom, I must appreciate and tell you that this property is a mind-blowing property that we are here to shoot at. You look at the upholsteries which are placed. This is your dining section. Why is this a dining section? Because you're very nearly connected with the kitchen. Is on the left hand side. All wooden work done, engineered wood, Daikin air conditioner. फ्लोर पे पूरा इटालियन है. यहाँ पर मैं आपके Havells के फैन दिए हुए हैं, heavy quality fans. Again got a grouping on this wall. एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम बाय डाइकिन वंस अगेन. और पूरा का पूरा अगर आप देखेंगे इस पूरे एरिया को बहुत ही एम्पल स्पेस है. टेबल फॉर 10 कैन इजीली बी डन हेयर फॉर द डाइनिंग. दिस इज लाइक अगेन अ फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस में आप खाना लेके इधर से जा सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोना गेट क्लोज्ड. So you again have a console here. If you're sitting with your family out here in the dining area, you can start watching the television. जो यहाँ पर console दे दिया आपका पूरा का पूरा. This is again modular. सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन का बात करेंगे अगर हम तो पूरा का पूरा दो पार्ट्स में बाइफरकेटेड है. पूरा का पूरा स्पेक्टेक्युलर डिज़ाइन लग रहा है. ब्यूटिफुल. लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द थर्ड बेडरूम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल natural sunlight in the daytime which is flowing inside this third bedroom. Italian flooring on the surface. You've got the cornice on the wall which is all grouping done. This is the space for your wardrobe. These are all operated by the sensor. If you just shut this off, this is Daikin का air conditioner जो लगाया हुआ है. राइट इधर वाला जो वॉल है towards my left, this stays empty. एक स्क्वायर शेप में, इनफैक्ट स्क्वायर कम रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में पूरा सीलिंग का डिजाइन है. दिस इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद द balcony out here. This is the backside balcony, a huge balcony. This developer has done a tremendous work out here. Why? There is a reason to it. बाहर में कोई एसी नहीं लगा है जिसका एक्सटर्नल हो. सारे एक्सटर्नल्स पीछे लगाए हैं और बहुत ही तहजीब और तमीज़ के साथ इन्होंने प्लांट करे हैं, यहाँ पर प्लेस करे हैं. तीनों के तीनों डाइकिन के एयर कंडीशनर्स यूनिफॉर्म वे में सारे लगे हुए हैं. This is the kitchen area that we'll be showing in a little while. ये आपका wet area. You've got the drainage vessel. This is a huge balcony that you can see. This is also shared with the third bedroom and the master bedroom of the house, which lies this side. So show them the surroundings, what is at the back. Now we'll cover up the washroom space. This is a small washroom space. ये आपका वैनिटी देखेंगे ग्रोहे का है. वेंटिलेशन विंडो, LED लाइट्स, ग्लास बाय मोदी गार्ड. दिस इज फेरोली का गीजर, ग्रोहे का वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट, a space, a floating shelf to keep your upholsteries. This is all, these are all tiles done. On the surface you'll get the Italian. This is a slider door for the shower area. This is the rain head. All sanitary fittings by Grohe. Beautiful, beautiful way of delivering house. This is the last but not the least, the final fourth bedroom of the house. You may consider this as a master bedroom as per your convenience. If I have to do it, I'll consider the first one, which has a wooden flooring. So this is the plain wall. A ceiling is rectangular in design, a small ceiling, a beautiful design. This is a wooden panel. पूरा wooden panel console है, grouping inside the wall. इधर आप television अपना लगा सकते हैं. And you're good to go. AC is again by Daikin. You've got the fan by Havells. And this portion that you see, this is the normal area. Come inside. इधर का lights on कर देता हूँ एक बारी. आइए. ये आपका पूरा wardrobe का space है. इधर में देख लीजिए, ये पूरा का पूरा आपको wardrobe का space है. बिल्कुल इतने सारे cabinets हैं एक space के अंदर. 1 2 3 4 5 cabinets, approximately 10, 5 each, and then you've got multiple cabinets out here. This is the space that you get for your wardrobe. This is a huge size master bedroom ka washroom. This is your vanity that you see on the left. This has a mirror, a beautiful mirror. You've got a grohe ka fittings. ये पूरा का पूरा अगर आप देखेंगे बहुत ही प्यारे तरीके से इन्होंने सिमेट्रिकल डिजाइंस दिए. इटालियन टॉप है इस पे, वैनिटी पे बहुत ही यूनिक डिज़ाइन है. वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट्स, ग्रोहे की फिटिंग्स, ये सारा का सारा आपका पत्थर लगा हुआ है. यहाँ पर इसमें भी पत्थर लगा है, इसमें कोई टाइलिंग का काम ही नहीं है, सारा पत्थर लगाया हुआ है. सो इट्स अ नेचुरल स्टोन ऑन माई लेफ्ट एंड माई राइट, एंड द सीलिंग डिजाइन स्टेन्स, इट स्टेज द सेम. रेन हेड, once again ये शावर जिसको कहते हो आप, fittings by Grohe. This is a proper glass door which will help you to take the shower on the other side and the water will not flow to this side. So this was all about the fourth bedroom's washroom. Let's cover up the kitchen quickly. So when somebody is visiting your house, as in your relatives, you can open it from inside and you can pull it like this. So let's open it from inside now like this. A huge size kitchen, approximately I guess 1 2 3 4 5 6 people can be accommodated. Chimney hob by CAF, no compromise, done with the quality. Oven OTG, everything is in place. Granite top, a natural stone, stain free. These are all beautiful tiles. ये पूरा shocker system इसमें दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. इधर में आपका to wash your utensils inside the sink and you keep it upstairs there, and then accordingly you can get this drained. The garbage area, this is your balcony for your ventilation. If you're cooking something inside the kitchen, the ventilation is almost beautiful but covered by UPVC. These are all spaces which are given here. अच्छा ये wooden थोड़ा सा लग रहा है, but this is not wooden. This is, हाँ ये लकड़ी का है. This is all wooden. यहाँ कटलेरी वगैरह आप रख सकते हो. This space can be utilized for your multi-grains, pepper, salt, or maybe something else that you wish to. This is as per your discretion. This space also will be utilized. This is the beautiful space for your shelf. इतने सारे cabinetries हैं. इधर आप bottles वगैरह, beverages, soft drink, whatever you want to keep here. This is again a space given here. Again got a space out this way. So a beautiful wooden door, a long, huge size wooden door, approximately I guess 10 feet to 9 feet. This is a waterfall kind of a shelf which is given here. This is all Italian on the surface. You've got space out here as well. This is a crystal open glass. इसको देख सकते हैं आप, यहाँ पर सामान रख सकते हैं अपना क्रॉकरी वगैरह का. ये आपका पूरा का पूरा यूज, ड्रैग इट डाउन लाइक दिस and then you open it according to yourself. This is again a storage space given here, and this way इधर में आप रेफ्रिजरेटर रख सकते हैं. लाइट्स की बात करेंगे, बहुत अच्छा डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है, एम्बियंस लाइट. ऊपर में सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन इज ऑल्सो गुड. शो देम द सीलिंग डिज़ाइन. So to finally sign off, this was Anupam Gambhir live from Estate Experts. We're in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. Keep watching us, stay tuned. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I thank you so very much for watching me today. Thank you. Take care.